I'm Reza. I'm an English teacher and I've been teaching English for 18 years. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 important tips that can positively affect your scores and your skills. So the first one is pronunciation. I have some Asian students who cannot pronounce the word idea correctly. They pronounce it as idea, which is bad. Or when it comes to the V sound, they can pronounce it like V. They pronounce it like we. So it's not like she is a veterinarian, she's a veterinarian, okay? Oops. Thank you for the lollipop for later. The third sound is A, like 8. It's A, it's not ite. Okay? I also have some students who cannot pronounce the W sound very well, and they pronounce it like V. Like world, and they pronounce it like world, which is really bad. The second tip, it's grammar, it's tenses. Always be careful about the tenses you're using. We have past, we have present, and we have future, generally speaking. I know that in some Asian languages, there's no tense. They say like, yesterday I go to my grandmother's place. So you have to be careful that if that's yesterday, we have went. I went to my grandmother's house. Also, the third tip is also in connection to grammar. Don't use ing verbs for no good reason. Oh my God. You say, I eat my lunch at a restaurant and I'm going to my friend's house later. Where going? Okay? Don't just use ing verbs just for no good reason. There's also another tip which is about like ing verbs and other types of tenses, which is called parallelism, which I will be talking about in the other video. So stay tuned with me for the other videos coming. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Bye.